G'day and welcome to day 3. What is going on with this shirt? Well, we got so much feedback from day 2 about the meditation process that I thought I'd strut the flowers today. Look, the positive feedback was wonderful. There were a fair few of you that said that you couldn't stop thinking and you didn't really master it. It's day 1, guys. It's like the first day you went to the gym. It's like the first day you rode a bike. First day you went from PC to Mac. It takes a little bit of perseverance. And you will get the benefits if you stick with this. The science behind it isn't woo-woo, it's fact, it's researched in medical institutions and by scientists across the planet. Suggest that you give, this is a really elite practice that we shared with you, the Keely method, so I suggest that you have a crack at it. Today, the third most frequent behavior we have is breathing. Now, breathing has such a massive impact on your immune system and on your state and on how healthy that you are in all situations. By breathing, one of the things that it does is obviously the amount of oxygen in your bloodstream, and that allows the chemical reactions and the hormonal balance in your body to be where it needs to be. If you breathe the wrong way into your chest, your cortisol levels rise because it tells your body that you're not safe. So the old thing about fight, flight or freeze comes into action. Again, if you breathe down diaphragmically into your stomach and slowly, the exact opposite happens. Serotonin levels increase. That hormone also then impacts things like oxytocin and you become more controlled. If you can learn to breathe, so one of the cycles we've asked you to do is a 1-minute cycle of 6 breaths, taking 10 seconds, where you breathe in through your nose, into your stomach, hold just for a little while, and gently out your nose. You do that for a 10-second cycle for a minute. Again, your serotonin levels raise, it tells your body you're safe. Now that signature response in a challenging situation in the future will tell your body that when you're under that sort of pressure, when you're in that challenging situation, that it's okay, you can handle it. And that becomes your signature response. It's a key to resilience, guys. It's one of these things that people really overlook. The simple things. Well, breathing the right way will help you. The other method that we want you to have a crack at, which is really about elevating your health, is what's called the Wim Hof method. It flies a little bit in the face of what I told you. So that you need to sit down, but what it does, it really oxygenates your blood. It also increases your alkaline levels very quickly. It's going to make you get a little bit of a head spin. So I suggest that you sit down or lie down and go into your stomach for 40 breaths. And then on the last one, breathe out, not breathe in, and hold your breath after you breathed out for as long as you can. Do 3 cycles of that. The health benefits are amazing. This guy has had bacteria injected into him that normally takes 3 weeks to get rid of. He did it in 15 minutes. They said, you're a freak, Wim Hof. He got 40 students, did the same test, and within 3 days, he taught them to do the same thing. This stuff works. Follow your exercise sheet today. We're really loving the feedback. Get your scores right. See you tomorrow.